Hello, Olivia. Good evening, Olivia. Hello. Hello, this is Teacher Luna. Hello. I can see you. I can see you. Hello, Daddy, Mommy. Good evening. I can see you, Olivia. Where are you? Where are you? I can see you. I can see you. Do you see me? Do you see teacher?
Which one music?
Uh,
Hello.
oh, can you see me? I can't see you.
Yes.
I can't see you, Olivia. I will ask a video. Ask to start the video. Start the video. I can see you. Hello. Where are you? Hi, Olivia. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today? I'm good. I'm good. I'm feeling great. Do you finish your dinner? Have you finished your dinner?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Right.
Rice and vegetables. Chicken?
Yes.
Wow, I love chicken. Is that fried chicken? Fried chicken?
Yes.
Wow, that's delicious. I love fried chicken. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes.
Yes, I love vegetables. Say, I love
I love
eating
eating
vegetables.
vegetables.
I love eating
Eating vegetables.
fried chicken. Fried chicken. Do you like to eat fish?
Yes.
Yes, fish. Fish. Do you like fish?
Yeah.
Fish. Yes. Swim, swim. Swim, swim, fish. Swim, swim. Oh, I can't see you. What happened? I can't see you, Olivia. Ask daddy or mommy to view your video. Okay, maybe you try to press this like this to open the video. This one. This one. Please open the video like this. I will send in our... Oh, there you are. Wow, you're so pretty today. Oh, okay, Olivia, are you ready to our lesson?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready. I want some energy. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start. Now what we have here, we are done with this. Now let's proceed to new letters and sounds. Now let's start. Let's listen first to the audio.
Unit 2. D, D,
D,
E, E,
E,
F.
F, F.
Track 13. New letters and sounds.
Listen, point, and repeat. D,
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 D, doll.
D, D,
D,
doll.
doll. E,
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 E, E,
E,
E,
E,
E.
elephant.
elephant. F,
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 F, F,
F,
F.
F, fish.
Fish. Very good. Now let's practice. D, 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 doll. E, 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 elephant. F, 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 fish. Very good. This is, what is this, Olivia? A doll. This is a doll. It's a doll.
It's the dog.
How about this one? What animal is this?
Elephant.
It's an elephant.
Elephant.
It's an elephant.
Elephant.
Very good. Okay, this one. F, f, fish. F, f, fish. What sea animals is that? It's a fish.
It's a fish.
Okay, next. What we have here? Let's have the next.
Track 14. Let's chant.
listen, point, and repeat. D sound, da da da. D sound, da da da.
D, D, doll.
Da da doll. E sound, eh eh eh. E sound, eh eh eh.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. F sound,
F sound.
F sound,
F sound.
Fish.
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 Good job, Olivia. Very good. Now let's have the next. Match the letters to the correct pictures. Okay. Where is the D? D is for, okay, like this. Doll. Okay, please answer. Where is D? E? Eh, eh. Where is D for? Okay, use your pen. You can use your pen. Use your pen. Go, Olivia. Go, 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 Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go, go, Olivia. Where is the pen? Do you see the pen? Annotate. The annotate. Annotate. Wow. Okay, long press, long press, long press. So you can draw the E is for, E is for Olivia. E is for elephant. Elephant. Yes, good job. Now let's have F. F, F. F is for, S is for fish. Very good. Write the fish. Speak. Fish. Write the fish. Speak. Okay, there is the fish. Where's the fish? Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia, go. Olivia, you can do it, you can do it.
你都係如果咁樣啱啱講有幾大啊？呢度都係啊，呢度我隔唔住啊！我哋呢個咁樣有幾大？百幾歲定100歲啊？呢度咪係咯，話俾你聽。
Okay, where is the fish, Olivia? Where? Answer the fish. Yes, you can do it. Closer.
我點知得一唔一樣？係我點知啊？咁都老公我唔會好似佢咁樣樣樣問到篤晒，唔會㗎。我哋兩個人好
Okay, this is the fish. Okay, next. Now let's have trace letters. Trace letter. D is for Olivia. What is this? What is this? Doll. Okay. Write the capital D. Write the capital D. D. Capital D.
378啊，好似
Write the capital D.
總之係咁上下。唉，做乜嘢？做乜嘢？Miss 話
Hello. Hello, mommy. Oh, grandma. Hello.
OK，thank you。點啊？喂，呢度啊，佢話唔要呢度啊，Miss 話。
Okay, write the capital D.
OK。
Capital D.
Miss D。
Annotate and pencil.
pencil 啊，pencil 啊，pencil 呢邊咯，係咪呀
There is the pencil.
？Use
Yes.
pencil 咯，呢度咯，係咯，OK 啦，係咪啊？要你寫啊？寫啦唔係？
Okay, very good. Wow, good job, Olivia. Write the capital D.
呀，
Capital
慢慢寫係
D.
啦，係咁樣寫咯。
Thank you, Grandma.
嗱，
Wow. Next, capital D.
唔使㗎嘛，識到 OK
Write
㗎
the
啦。
capital D.
真係唔得冇就緊啦。唉，唉，唔理佢，佢咧。
Wow, the small letter D. Write the small letter D.
嗰度咪唔知道佢嚇？冇啊，呢度話進入嗰個啫，佢照計轉咗啦。唉，唔知係
Small letter D.
就係點啊？你見到佢咁多喎，唔得好痛啊！佢係咁痛都唔痛喺度啊！你唔食飯咩？遲啲食啊，真係飽。
Okay. Small letter D.
係啊，你知識㗎啦啲，有啲而家好叻女仔，佢而家唔好以為叻啊，嗰啲好叻。佢而家識寫㗎，係啊，識㗎啦。佢而家
Small letter D.
6點嚟啊！佢
Okay, small letter D. Write the small letter D. Very good. And how about the letter E? Olivia, letter E is for? E is for? Okay, maybe let's skip this part because, okay, it's little difficult to write. Is that difficult to write? Oh, there. Very good. E is for Olivia. E is for
Elephant.
elephant. Very good. Okay, small letter E. Very good. Next, let's have F. F. F is for? F is for? F is for? F is for? Olivia?
Fish.
Fish. Very good. I love fish. I love fish. Okay, please write capital F. Big letter F. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. F. F. F is for fish. Fish, fish, fish. Swim, swim, swim. Okay. All right. Good job. Fish, 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 fish. Very good. Well done. I love fish. I love fish. Fish, fish, fish. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, swim. Fish, swim. We love fish. Okay, very good. Are you done? Are you done, Olivia? Fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish. I love fish. I love fish. Swim, swim, swim. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next. What we have here, new words. Let's learn new words together. Please listen to the audio, and the audio starts now.
Track 15.
Track
New
15.
words.
Listen, point, and repeat. D, D,
Doll.
Dog.
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 Desk.
Desk.
Duck.
Duck.
E,
Elephant.
Elephant.
Egg.
Egg.
Elevator.
Elevator.
Elbow.
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 Fish.
Yes.
Fan.
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 5.
5.
Fat.
Fat.
Very good. Now let's learn these new words. This is a dog.
Dog.
How about this one? What is this? A dog.
A dog.
This one, a desk. It's a
A desk.
desk. How about this one? Quack, 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 quack.
Duck.
A duck. Very good. How about this one? What is this? This is
Elephant.
an elephant. An elephant.
An elephant.
Perfect. How about this? What is this? Egg.
Egg.
An egg.
An egg.
This one, an elevator.
An elevator.
An elevator.
An elevator.
Elbow.
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 Okay. What is the use of elevator? What is the use of elevator, Olivia? To go up or to go down. Okay, how about egg? What is egg? What is an egg? Egg is for food.
Food.
Food. Very good. Well done. Now let's have fish. Fish. Okay. Do you eat fish?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I eat fish.
Yes, I eat.
Very good. Okay, next. Fan.
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 Okay. Next. What is this? 5.
5.
5.
5.
Very good. And how about this one?
Fat.
Fat. Who is fat in the family? Who is fat? Who is fat in the family? Who is fat in the family? Is that dad is fat or
Yeah.
grandpa? Who? Who is fat? Me?
No.
Who is fat in the family? Grandpa, daddy, uncle? Who is fat?
Daddy.
Daddy is fat. Okay, very good. Now let's listen to the audio. Let's listen. The audio starts now.
Track 17.
Listen and circle the correct picture. Number 1.
Circle.
Elbow.
Elbow. Circle the elbow.
Number 2.
Dog.
Circle the dog. Wow.
Number
very
3.
Good. Where's the dog?
Egg.
Egg.
Number 4.
3.
Fat.
Fat. Good job. Okay, now let's have the next. Circle the correct letter. What letter starts with this word? With this doll? What letter starts? Oh, we need to play this first.
Track 16.
Listen and repeat the words again.
Again.
D.
D.
Doll.
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 Dog.
Dog.
desk,
Desk.
duck,
Duck.
E.
E.
elephant,
Elephant.
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 egg,
Egg.
Egg.
elevator,
Elevator.
elbow,
Elbow.
Elbow.
F.
F.
fish,
Fish.
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 fan,
Fan.
Fan.
five,
Fan.
5.
5.
fat,
Fat.
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 Okay, good job. Now, Olivia, let's circle the correct letter. Okay. What a letter starts with doll? Circle like this. Circle. D is for doll. Circle letter D. Circle letter D. Okay, very good. How about number 2? Circle number 2. Circle number 2. What is letter? F. F. 5. 5. 5. 5. And D, what is this, Olivia? What is this? This is? What is this? An elevator.
Elevator.
Okay, what letter starts with elevator? Elevator. E, very good. D is for doll. F is for 5. And E is for elevator. Okay, circle the elevator. Circle the letter E. Circle them. Circle them. Are you done? Circle the F and circle the E. Circle them. Circle them. Okay, how about 5? What letter starts with 5? 5. What letter? F. Letter F. Very good. Good job. Okay, we are done. Now let's proceed to the next. Let's listen to the audio first, and what we have here, let's listen to the beginning sound.
track
Circle the
19,
correct picture.
Listen and write the letter that begins the word. Number 1.
fish, fish,
Oh.
Number 2.
Wait. Here. We start here. Okay.
track 18, wrap up,
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Number 1.
eh,
Number 2.
f,
F.
Number 3.
d,
Okay, very good. Oh, it's running out of time. Thank you, Olivia. See you on Monday. Bye, friend. Bye, friend. See you next
Bye-bye.
time. Bye, friend. Bye-bye, Olivia. Thank you, Grandpa, Daddy, Grandma. Bye. Bye-bye.